Okay, living skills. This is day 2. I mean, technically 3, but day 2. I just want to debrief. I think I'm going to do these videos like, hey, if you missed the live session, you might have missed more than just this, but here's the basics and what you need to know. If you have more questions than that, you'll have to contact me. So speaking of live sessions, I'm nervous that you maybe, oh, there you go. Hi, guys. I'm nervous that maybe you're skipping the live sessions because you don't find it useful or helpful. And in fact, I understand that, I guess is what I want to say. But that isn't the point of the live session. Live sessions are supposed to be just like you being in class. You might not find that helpful or useful either, but the point is that you're here, that I get to see you, and that I know that you're giving the effort that you should. So you need to make your live sessions, like you need to be there. If you miss it, and granted, the first couple weeks, we're going to give you lots of grace, lots of patience, kindness. But if you start missing these live sessions and then you send me an email that says, yeah, I don't know what we're doing, help me out, I might not be as helpful as I could have been if you were at the live sessions, okay? Now, on a Wednesday, I will always meet via conference and help you out. But again, I need you at the live session so that I know that you're dedicated, that you're into it. I think my makeup's falling, but that's because I have to wear makeup, guys. This is the worst. Okay. Back to my screen. Here we go. I've added this. Monday, here's what to do. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Read it. We're meeting live Tuesdays and Thursdays at the start time. Be on time. We don't want to waste everybody else's time. Something I talked about, materials versus updates. I use updates. This is like a post-it, but if you use if you have Instagram or Facebook or any of those things and people post things, you see the latest. I see the latest. Oh, I see. That's what this is. And it's reminders such as you must reply to 3 classmates in the discussion or the intro videos in order to get full credit. I just sent you that reminder. But if you don't see your updates or your settings don't let you see your updates, your notifications don't send you updates, that's the word I wanted, then you need to be able to toggle over here. Materials, that is usually where the rest of you land. Here, I added all the Google Meet links. They're right there at the top. That won't change. This is for those over planner people that want to know what we're doing all week. Say, I can't see Friday's folder. What are we doing? I want to know. Right here. Okay. Starting with today's stuff. There's a character versus personality activity. You do that on paper. Then you check it with a key. You listen to this man read the giving tree, and you complete the discussion board. Now, I know that's not helpful, but if you're at the live session, you could ask me lots of questions, or maybe I did a better job explaining, or not. September 11th, that's tomorrow, so I'm not meeting with you tomorrow. This is your small project, character trait slide. You have been assigned a character trait in the updates tab, just where we went. You look up what the word is, and then you follow these instructions, these directions. It's one slide, it's like a poster, and that is what I'm asking you to do. Notice, I don't want some random picture, some random quote. I want you to know what you're talking about because, back to me, you will be presenting. And here's the thing, listen up, zoom in. You're not only presenting, but you have to be able to explain. So if you pick a quote that says, life is the essence of persevering and loyalty of friendship. Okay, what does that mean? And what does that have to do with, what was your word, loyalty? I don't know. So you better be able to explain. You can say, well, the idea behind it is this, and I know that these words mean that. But if Mrs. Leslie says, what does that word mean that you just said or typed out because Google gave it to you? And you're like, I don't know. I don't know what that word means. Then you're not getting credit for that. I'm not giving you credit for a quote that you stole off the internet and you can't explain. Okay? That shouldn't sound like, how unfair. How unfair for her not to give us that. All right. Anyway, let's go back to my screen. This is due Sunday at midnight. You will present it Tuesday. So Monday you'll have work in a folder, obviously, not having to do with the slide. And then Tuesday, when we do our live session, you will present your slide. Okay. Oh, I have an alarm set. Dismiss. Okay. If you need anything else, let me know. This is our very first week of work being due by Sunday, and I'm a little nervous to see what comes in. So please let me know if you need help. Otherwise, this was a super long video. I'm glad I put it on YouTube so that you could speed it up a little bit. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday.